Hello there, I'm Cratchet, and this is the Tiniest Tim. And welcome to our Christmas edition of He Said, Who Said. Oh.
Time to read a book or watch that flick. Marty and his baby will review that shit. He can barely form words, but he knows what he likes. If you're into his horror and some E.B. White, you want an honest reaction. A little baby distraction. Some constructive action. We demand satisfaction. Uh-oh, someone needs a nap. Gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo. Ah, shit! Gonna throw a temper tantrum. It's the he said, who said anthem. Gonna throw a temper tantrum. It's the he said, who said anthem. Gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo. Gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo, gaga goo goo.
We can pretend that the fire is there. Oh, that's better. Tonight we have a very special book. It's called Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Okay, let's read it. Beep, 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 December's here. Little blue truck is full of cheer. You want to turn the page? One of life's little luxuries. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Look at that, Toad's trees. Look at all the trees that he has. And there's Little Blue Truck. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Oh, see, there's the toad loading up the trees. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Don't worry, we'll eat soon. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? We do. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Meow, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. There's 1 left. Who's gonna get the last Christmas tree? Do you know? Not us. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Does this mean, oh, Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, 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 this one's for me. Wow. Have you seen anything so beautiful? Oh, that's good harmony. Maybe we'll have a good Christmas after all. Gobble? What do you want for Christmas, Tiniest of Tiny Tims? Oh, you want to look at the last page again. That I can do. Tiniest of Tiny Tims is trying to get a fire started. But I really enjoyed the Little Blue Trucks Christmas. This is a series. There's a lot of Little Blue Truck books out there, and this was a delight. I love the design and the whole look of all the characters. And on the last page, there's a big surprise. It's like Merry Christmas in a book. It's fantastic. I've never seen lights in a book before. I like that there's different things to count on each page. There's sort of a countdown with the Christmas trees. How many trees are left? 3. How many trees are left? 2. I like seeing how all these animals live. Like the cows have a nice barn decorated with lights. You got the piggies with a brick house. Might be a callback to the Big Bad Wolf or something. And you got the goats. This is pretty sweet. And there's suspense. You think, oh, Blue Truck is not gonna make out with a Christmas tree, but he does at the end. It's really great. And he even has a present for Toad under the tree, which is great, because Toad's been busting his hump, getting trees to everybody. All right, we hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you next week or in the new year. Yeah! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Godspeed, little baby. Uh-oh. It's like, I want to film my own episode. Screw this.